Find your manifold yet? You had a week to bring it over, did you?
No.
Why not?
Still gotta polish it.
We don't know what the distance is between these supposed to be.
Do you have one we could throw on there?
Nope. If that's the right area. Don't know until you go to put it on. Alright, we torqued on this week.
Let's start with the lucky number 18.
I'm going to see if the motor will actually turn over first. Make sure the heads don't hit.
Why do you like to turn it backwards?
I forgot to wipe the oil on top of the cylinders too, so there's going to be oil in the cylinders.
That's a good thing.
Not really. Not on a spark plug. Because I put oil in the case, I want to stay in the case.
Oh, that's right.
Because the scooper only works when you go the correct direction, not backwards. The oil stays down there. This breaks the rings in up. We got compression?
A little bit.
A little bit?
Just a little dab will do
This
you.
direction. Where's your torque wrench at? Oh, right there. Did you change it?
Pay close attention.
What's it on?
18.
On 18?
It's on 20.
20. It's on 20. Stripped at 18. I'll give it that one.
Is there a torque pattern?
Yep, I'm using it. You pull torque this time. You start on this side, you go one to the next, cross it, next. I don't care if you start on this one or this one, just whichever one you do, you go from here to here and to there. You cross over. Never go in a circle. Okay, that's 18 or 20. Is that all we need? How much more do you want?
Man, I don't know. I think I was pulling 45.
That's probably why they're stripping. It's 32.
Oh.
She's done.
Jesus fucking Christ.
That's good. Nope. Oh, I finally pulled. There's a lot of squeezing on that one. That feels soft as hell.
So every fucking stud is coming out of that case.
She's done. Done. Yep. They're all the junk. You torqued them 45 before? That's why, because you can't go that high. Pull the studs out of them.
What are you supposed to go to?
Those ones never got torqued.
38. Stock's 38. Well, it's gonna sit until we do it here. Come out of your hospital. I never have so many problems with late case. These are late cases. They're extra hard, stronger, a lot stronger than the earlier stuff. I only had this problem with early cases. These are ridiculous. This thing just been over torqued too many times.
That's
It only went together once. I didn't put 45 on it. I fucking might have gone 40, 38, 40.
42 is fine. 43, 42. I pull stock cases just like I do S&S, but I prefer to stop at 40 on stock cases. They're not very strong. 38's good, 40's pushing it. Anything more than 40, you're gonna start having problems.
Well, is 38 what the torque spec is?
They use a cross, they use a 90-degree bullshit. I don't do it that way. They're broken.
Yeah, and then they want you to pull it clockwise 90 degrees. It doesn't even give you torque specs. It tells you to pull them 90 degrees.
You torque it like 14 or 16 or some stupid foot-pound, and then you turn it 90 degrees. Torque angle type crap.
Gotcha.
I don't use. I hate that. I'm just going to take the torque off of this, but I'm going to leave them with just a couple foot-pounds on them. So,
Is that one good, or did one strip on the? No.
So are the head gaskets smoked now?
that's why I'm just going to put a little bit of torque on them, just enough to hold it together.
It don't matter. I'm over this fucking case. Throw that motherfucker. I mean, it's got my numbers etched into it. This was from a program where back in the day, you could take your old cases to Harley Davidson and they would send them back, send you the new cases, and etch your numbers in. So that's the matching case.
Yeah.
They just need to be inserted. Just got to do them all. Well, this thing pulled torque easy. Now, shit's got good torque.
Oh, that's the one we fixed.
Yeah.
Yeah.
One we fixed was fine. The
Yeah.
only good one.
It went right on up, no problem.
Freaking believable.
All the other ones just don't do it. You don't have any spark
I'm going to
plugs.
get some snacks.
You don't have any spark plugs yet either, do you?
I do, but they're at the house.
Yeah, just put a couple plugs in here so it doesn't sit with anything on it.
Yeah, you got some rubber plugs.
Put some tape over the motors, over the ports and stuff. You can put the push rod covers inside the push rod covers to hide them up, the tubes to seal them. Just put the covers up in here with a clip on them, that seals the stuff here. It's easier than I do. The rocker box is fit up on top, pretty easy to keep it junk out of the top.
Should I drag it home?
I'm working this stuff right now. So where's your rocker boxes? It's just like I did before, just slam them in there with a couple bolts on them. It keeps everything dry so it doesn't get rusty. You don't want anything to get bad.
Unbelievable.
Harley's fun.
Damn good looking motor.
Yeah, it is.
We need those bolts, the 4 long bolts.
Okay, Tatro, well, give me a call tomorrow if you want to rip this thing apart. Billy.
All right, Bubba. Good
luck.
meeting you.
Yeah.
Ryan.
Yeah, I'll be in touch, man.
Yeah, for sure.
See you later.
Go get some road miles down.
Yeah.
Day after tomorrow, I'll be in the hospital, but
Where's your clip at?
oh, you know what? I must have left them in the box.
Oh, do you have the lower O-rings and washers also?
Have a good night, Tatro.
Yes, I do have that.
There, Ryan.
Wasn't it in the cover right there? I thought it was in the set.
No, they don't. The clips? No, there's no clips in here.
No, the
They
gap,
don't- they
the
don't give you
O-rings.
those. No, they don't. Well, maybe. They got O-rings in here, but they don't have. They're not gonna come with all the washers and all that stuff.
Here's those bolts. I'm gonna go look in my truck.
You need them anyway.
We had the clips.
I do need the clips though.
Clips were here the other day.
Oh, here's the lower washer. Okay. What the hell? What they got? They got a shim washer in here too. What the hell's that all about?
Washer and shim.
What the hell? Oh, that was. The other one's a clip that was all in the right spot. This one's all mixed up.
I'm gonna go look in the truck.
All right. So we need the clips to do it right.
Yeah.
Obviously. Okay, I'm going to put the washers in here. I'll cut this stuff open. I'll be back.